Okay, so today we have with us a Spigen screen protector for the new iPhone 14. It's called the Spigen Glass TR Easy Fit. Now one thing to emphasize here is that while we are going to be demonstrating the installation on an iPhone 14 Pro Max here, the method will be the exact same for every iPhone 14 model. In fact, it will be the same for every iPhone on sale today. Having a look at the packaging, it says that we get two protectors in the box. As you can see, it's a fairly simple box. Very standard, nothing out of the ordinary with typical Spigen packaging. They did seal it pretty good though, because I had to struggle quite a bit to open the box up. The contents of the box are also a bit hard to pull out because it's such a snug fit. First up, we have these two installation trays, and the thing to note here is that the glass screen guard is already pre-attached to these frames. We also get this little ad inside which encourages you to buy more Spigen products. Then there's the good old squeegee tool which is used to push out air bubbles in case you get any after the installation. We also have this small leaflet which carries all the step-by-step instructions on how to proceed. Then we have this envelope which carries an assortment of different things. There's instructions on how to use the squeegee tool, we have some dust removal stickers, there's a microfiber cloth, and we have these lens and screen cleaning wipes. Anyway, let's keep the contents to the side and start with the installation process. Before we begin, you need to take care of a few things. Make sure you're in a dirt-free, well-lit environment. Wash your hands thoroughly so that will mitigate any chances of getting dust particles under the glass protector. If you have a case on your phone, take it off. I would also recommend switching your phone off for this process because the screen lighting up mid-installation can mess with the whole quality. Now that we have done all the prerequisites, the first step is to take one of the screen wipes and use it to properly wipe the phone screen till you make sure it's clean without any visible dust particles. Now, I prefer wiping it in one direction because in my experience, it just helps clean better and more efficiently. Wiping it randomly or haphazardly does not really give good results. Once you've done that, it's time to take the microfiber cloth and repeat the same wiping process to dry the phone clean. Do remember that you have to be patient to get the best results. Take your time and don't rush things. Any dust particle that stays in unnecessarily complicates the whole process, so it's just better to do things properly from the get-go. Once you're done with the cleaning, take one of the installation trays, flip it over and carefully remove the back protective film. Once you've done that, carefully align the installation frame with the phone. Since these frames are made exactly according to your iPhone's body, it will fit perfectly. After that, what I like to do is push two fingers in the middle like this and just push in the outward direction. You will be able to see the air escaping as the screen guard sticks firmly to your phone display. Once that's done, you need to remove the sticker from the top and then carefully take the installation frame off. There is still a protective film on the top of the screen guard. You should remove it slowly and carefully as just yanking it off might disturb the alignment of the glass protector. And we are done. Now look at your phone carefully to see if you got any air bubbles or dirt particles stuck underneath. In case of an air bubble, push it out with the included squeegee tool. In case of a dirt particle, carefully lift up the screen guard and use the included dust removal stickers to remove the dust particle. I hope you applied your screen protector perfectly after watching this installation video. Please leave a like and a comment if you found this video helpful and subscribe to the channel for more content. Until then, this has been Rohan from TechieTechTech and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.